Hello, welcome. This is Lisa Howard coming to you with another video on, I don't know why the light does that, but coming to you with another video on entrepreneurship and on finding online opportunities to either supplement or replace your income. So today I want to talk about a platform that I've used, and it's a platform where whatever you have expertise in, you can put together put together a course where you could teach others whatever it is your topic is. Like I did a course there on when I was out of work, when I didn't have a job, like the mindset, like fixing your mindset when you are pursuing a job. Because I know when you are job seeking, a lot of times, and this channel is not about jobs and job seeking, but I do know in reality sometimes we have to have a job. Sometimes you've got to find a job to support your dream. So in the interim, when I was between jobs, I remember the feeling of like when you put your applications or your resumes out there, and then you always get those emails back saying, we appreciate you reaching out to us. However, that word however used to drive me. So so I know how I felt, and I know how the other people that because the reason I was in between jobs is because the company that I worked for, actually that I'm working for again, because they rehired me in another state, but I realized that me and my previous co-workers were kind of going through the same feelings and emotions when we were trying to find a job, and we would always get these rejection letters or emails. So with all of that being said, I did a course on mindset to help people through those difficulties when you are job seeking, because I know it could really be taxing on you. So like taxing on your emotions. So I did that video, and it was on the Udemy platform. So that's udemy.com. If you go there, there are courses that you could take on pretty much any subject you could think of under the sun. Whatever you feel like you have expertise in, you can create a course. And I will do a video at some point on like the steps that I took to get my video, because it's a video course, to get all my videos together and put the course out there online. And I did earn some money, and I'm not gonna tell you it's gonna make you rich, but it may, depending on how serious you are about it. Because I only did that one course, and in the first month I made $100 from the course that first month. Then it kind of trickled off. But udemy.com. You can go there, go on the platform, and search for free courses so that you can see what the platform is about. But I will do a video in the future on how to construct your Udemy course. So if that's something that you're interested in, drop me a comment and let me know, Lisa, yeah, show us how to do a Udemy course, because I can guide you through the process. Because it seems like a big task, but when you take it one step at a time, then it's very, very, very doable. So phone's ringing. That's all I had to say for today, and I will see you again on the next video. Thank you.